Okay, this is a recipe on how to make a home remedy um, home remedy medicine for cough or bronchitis. Um, it really works. I tried it before one time, and it really worked for me. You got one onion, one red onion right there. Already cut it. A big onion, about that big. Yeah, one big onion. You it does really work because I did it before for myself. I took it I made a lot of it, and it helped me a lot. Asthma, it's good for asthma, it's good for bronchitis, it's good for cough. You make it. You take two two teaspoons in the morning and 2 teaspoons at night. I'm about to get some garlic from here, because we're gonna use a lot of garlic for this. We need a little garlic, so we get garlic from here. So we need about 20 pieces of garlic for this recipe to work. So I got the garlic right here. I'm gonna peel them off, and I'll come back when I'm done. Okay. All right. So we have nine limes right here. Limes, because they're called lemons, I guess. Limes. Well, usually they call them limes, but we had 9. 6 of them we made a juice with 6 of them, and we're gonna throw the juice inside here. Inside there like that. We throw the juice like that, right there like that. That's the juice of 6 limes. We're gonna cut the other 3 limes like this. Watch. With the peels on. We're not gonna peel them off or nothing like that. Throw them in. Like that. Cut them like that. We'll cut them like that. And then we cut them in tiny pieces. We throw them in. We throw them in the container. We throw them in the container. We cut them into tiny pieces. We throw them in the container. I got a pair of scissors. Over here. It might be easier for me to make tiny pieces with the scissors like that. Yes, it is. It is a lot easier because they're already cut. We throw them in like that. So yeah, I'll be right back. I'm gonna cut the rest. Okay. So I cut the lime and I throw it in. This is how I cut the lime on little tiny pieces with the peels on them. After I throw the six limes of juice in it. So now it's gonna be time to put the garlic. And to put the garlic, we're gonna crush them. To crush them, we do this like this. Jesus Lord, they don't crush. I don't know why. Oh dear. Oh there. I have to put a little more pressure on it. Okay. So I'm just not gonna do it over there on the table because I feel more comfortable over here on a plate, like that. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. Oh, I'm gonna 8. 9. 10. 11. Oh Lord. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. This just be the 21. The 20. This is number 20. There you go. Crush like that. And then we get the honey. And we get the honey right here. We get the honey right there. That's gonna go inside here, and we're gonna use about a cup. Okay, like that. Okay, I'll be right back. And now I'm ready to put 1 cup of honey, pure honey. I am not any of the companies that you may see here, they're not paying me. So I'm not promoting anybody, but we need a cup of that over here, of honey, pure honey. It's called pure honey. Honey that is raw honey. It says raw honey over here. They're not paying me, by the way. It says raw honey, and it's so we throw the honey inside there, right down. 1 cup. So it's about 1 cup, but I put that 1 cup and then I put a little, probably a little more, you know, probably a little more than that one. Goes like that, 1 cup right there. It's going in. There you go. And I put a little more, only a little more, like that. Yeah, I put a little more than 1 cup. Okay, so that's how that goes. A cup of honey right there. I could use this one, but I didn't. It's okay. Maybe I throw a little more honey on it. I'll throw a little more honey on it. Let me throw a little. Let me put a little more honey on it. Maybe like about a cup and a half or 2 cups maybe. And you see, leave it like that for now. Like that. This is what I was talking about before. It's easy to scrub the rest in. Like that. Because it is very hard for the honey to keep sliding down. Honey is always very sticky. It's very messy. So share these and all the people you might know, your family probably also would appreciate it, because this is very good for for cough, bronchitis, anything that has to do with the chest. You leave it like that. You leave it like that on room temperature for about 24 hours. You make sure you shake it really well. So if you notice, the only liquids are in here are the honey and the lime. Nothing else. We're not gonna add water, we're not gonna add anything else, absolutely nothing else. Just leave it like that. Just like that. That's the only liquids in it. Like that. I forgot the ginger. You put ginger in it. You got the ginger. You use about a half inch cuts. About a half inch cuts like that. about 4 of them. This one was a little longer because it becomes skinnier. So so it's only about a half-inch cuts. That one was a little small, so I'm gonna cut this one right here. Watch. So 1, 2, 3, 4. About four halves of ginger. Just throw them in. Make sure you throw them in together, because you gotta fuse with everything inside there. Oh, another thing that I almost forgot. You put 4 cloves on it. So I got the cloves. These are the cloves. But these cloves, they're you find them in the store. You find them in where the ingredients are, where the condiments are. It's a condiment, you know, like where you put what you put to do some seasoning, to do seasoning on food. So you put 4 of these right there, and now it is ready. Now we gotta mix it really well. Gotta make sure it seals nice. It seals nice and close. And now it's ready. Leave it there for 24 hours to fermentate. After fermentation, take everything out. And do not put it in the fridge. Just leave it on room temperature. And after fermentation, take everything out, and then just have the juices. Keep the juices. To have 2 teaspoons every day, twice a day. 2 teaspoons in the morning and 2 teaspoons in the evening. It is very good for, like I said before, for every stuff like that has to do with the chest, bronchitis, coughs, asthma. If you work on dust, you'll clean your lungs, you'll clean everything. You'll be more healthy. Your friends would appreciate you after you share this with them. After you teach them how to do it also. Your family is going to appreciate you, because they're gonna know. This is also in YouTube. This recipe also in YouTube. You could find it in YouTube also. I see them doing it. I don't know. They do a lot of editing. I don't do much editing, but there it is. The honey, pure honey, right there. Onion, 1 onion about this big. 20 pieces of garlic, ginger, lime, 9 limes, could be 5, made out of five made out of juice, and the other 4 on little pieces to throw in. It could be like that, or it could be 6 made out of juice and 3 pieces to cut just like that, and throw them in with no with the pills on them. So that's what you do. Put them in. Leave it there for 24 hours for it to ferment, for it to fermentate or ferment. What is that? What's it called? Then take everything out and start having it. Put it in a smaller container for it to be easy for you to get a spoonful out of it. Teaspoon. 2 teaspoons in the morning, 2 teaspoons in the afternoon. It's good for adults, it's good for children. It's completely natural. No alcohol, no anything that would hurt anybody. But instead, it'll clear your lungs. You'll clean your lungs, and you'll have a better life. People with a lot of problems, smoke problems, this will clear their lungs. People who use the oxygen, this will clear their lungs, as long as they stop smoking, of course. Stop smoking, use the oxygen, whatever. If they use oxygen, and take 2 teaspoons every day, at night, in the morning and at night time. 2 teaspoons in the morning and 2 teaspoons at night time. 4 teaspoons every day. All right, well, thank you very much. Enjoy it, share it, give it likes. Let me know if you have any questions, and I appreciate your support, and I appreciate your subscriptions. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day. Enjoy it. Oh, and click on my videos on the top right corner, on the beginning of this video and at the end of this video. All right, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.